Gusto lang sana namin masilayan yung ganda mo, pero bukod sa maganda mong boses, mas maganda pa talaga lalo pag live, di ba? Hindi ba guys?
Correct!
Kulang pa kayo ng topic. Hoy, ilong lang ang pinagawa ko. 40 figures lang sa ano, nama, tsaka sa labi. Grabe kayo sa akin. Hindi ako nagpaano hindi ako Oo, totoo. Pero, kidding aside. Raven, guys, I would like to give this opportunity, actually, this opportunity tuloy. I would like to give you Raven, our tawag ng tanghalan Season 5 Grand Champion!
Alam ko na, sila tayo 20, sila nakapili.
First ako para pilisin.
Tom Jones na akyas.
It's been a long time since you came around. Been a long time, but I'm back in town. This time I'm not leaving without you. It tastes like a whiskey when you kiss me. Oh, I give anything to be your baby doll. This time I'm not leaving without you.